Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 2 Club, Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today I'm here with Cassie Zampa-Keim, dating and relationship expert of InnovativeMatch.com, and her hot tip of the day is...
Do not have sex with anybody until you find out what he wants and if you're in a committed relationship. So many times women don't do that because you know why? You're afraid of the answer. You don't want to hear that he is not ready to make a commitment. You don't want to hear that he's not fully sure if you're the one. Why? You don't want to hear that. It's painful. But I'll tell you what's more painful. When you get involved sexually and you find out that he doesn't want a commitment, right? We talk about protecting. We talk about boundaries, how to protect yourself with boundaries. Your body is your boundary. You need to protect it. Do not have sex with anybody until you know what his end game is. What is your end game? You want a relationship. What's his end game? Ask him. Don't be afraid of what he's going to say. And if he doesn't give you that right answer, don't think you're going to change him. Sex does not change anything really in a relationship with a man except it changes you. Because women, we connect. That's how we connect. Again, that's a slippery slope. So I always tell women that I work with, do not have sex with him until we know his end game, until we know what he wants. And if he doesn't give you the answer that you deserve and that what your end game is, if it does not match, you're walking. That's it. Because you want to know some awesome guy is going to be waving his hands behind saying, hey, Lisa, I'm here. I want to make a commitment. You're worth it. Come with me. That's what you do. Don't be afraid to walk. Don't have sex unless you know what his end game is. Put yourself first. Protect yourself. Protect your body, your heart, and your mind. Good luck.